switch case. Today we are going to discuss about the switch case. Switch case, it is an alternative to the ladder if statement. It is easily understanding structure. In switch case, it ends with a break statement. Not matches the any expected case, it goes to the default statement. The default block does not contain the break statement. Let's go into the syntax of the switch case. Switch variable. Flower brackets, we need to give a case 1 statement and break. Case 2 statement, break, and so on to the default statement. And default last statement should be given. And close the flower brackets. Let's go into the example problem. Input a single digit numbers 0 to 9 and print the equivalent character form. Here is the problem. So the output should come, if you give a 7 as an input, the output should come as 7. If you give a double digit number like 14, the output will show as not a single digit number. Let's go into the program. First, int main, we need to give the declaration. So int n is the variable here we are giving. So now next step is input. In input, we need to give the printf statement. In that, we have to give enter the single digit number. So it will print in the output. Now scanf, we need to read the address of the input. So %d. %d is used to as we given a digit. So we should use the %d. Now go into the process. In process, we need to give a switch n. As in syntax, we have shown n as a variable. Switch n. Flower brackets open. Case 0. So here printf 0. This printf 0 is the statement. Now break the case. Now go into the another case. Case 1. Printf 1. Break. Case 2. Printf 2. Break. And so on to the last statement. Like what's the last statement? Till case 9 we are giving like this. After that we are giving the default statement. Default statement as print not a single digit number. So if you give a double digit number, it will print as all cases are true, not completed. So save the program as Ctrl S and run the program. For running the program, the shortcut form is F9. Now it will show that print any single digit number. If you give a double digit number like 14, it shows it is not a single digit number. If we run the program and try to give a single digit number, if we give the single digit number, it will show, suppose we have given a single digit number as 2, it will show the output as TWO2. Thank you.